Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Sheba Perfect Portions Pate Wet Cat Food Trays, Seafood. There are some byproducts listed in the ingredients, but at least salmon is one of the first main ingredients. The quality of the food is very good, and the packaging quality is nice too. Signature seafood pate is her favorite flavor, and she is a diva about her food. For the price you get a good amount of food, and it has a great variety. So nice to be able to serve a portion, and not have to store a 12-can in the fridge until the next feeding. Now that she's grown into quite the large girl, it would be nice to have same foods in larger containers. Lord Kitty likes the taste, and single serving means no partial cans in the fridge. The only thing that keeps me from buying this on a regular basis is the amount of packaging waste. They have the taste test approval of Tuffy, Ba, Tiger, and Georgie as the best tasting cat food. Our kitten 68 months range loves this food, and smells pretty appetizing to even humans. But it's better than seeing all the grain and vegetable matter that you normally see in pet food. And if you ignore the fact that they are byproducts, you've got meat of some kind in the first several ingredients. This means it's actually 48 individual servings, not the 24 servings that's clearly visible in the image. They've been trained to come running when they hear the pack being split in half. So they get this food twice a day, and when they are done they always lick their chops. The small trays are great. Little to no waste, and the empties make excellent cups for beads. So much so that they turn up their tails at almost anything else, including regular Sheba in cans. Our cats love these, maybe too much. The portions are exactly right for one meal. Only issue is that when you open the packs, gravy can sometimes shoot out and get everywhere. You have to be careful and plan ahead. They love the pate. Get it? Perfect portions so nothing goes to waste or gets cold in the fridge. No more putting cat food in the fridge and the cats turning their nose up at cold food the next day. She likes all three flavors, so she has some variety, and she licks the bowl clean every day. This wet food once daily supplements her high-quality dry food, which is always available. Wish it didn't produce so much packaging waste, but for the food, it's a perfect size. It seems to be easier to digest for older cats, and seems to be without salt, which is also good for older cats. No carrageenan. Kitties like this food in addition to the other flavors in this line. It also helps with his stools if you want to hear about that. Lol. Not as stinky, and nice, and firm for a change. Only downfall is that sometimes it is a challenge to open the foil cover, but it isn't a big deal. But sure would be nice if some pet products were not only in Prime Pantry. She's able to eat some dry food, but it's not the main part of her diet. Our cat loves this food. The splits make feeding a smaller cat simple. No half cans in the fridge, yuck, and you won't find a better price. There are even times she is thoughtful enough to do so on scraps of paper that happen to be on the floor. She has one first thing in the morning before snacking on the dry food. The rest of the day. So far have only tried the pate, and the cats love all the flavors except for the beef one. No more fighting with the can opener, and no more wasted food, since these are smaller portions. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.